Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Wansview Cloud app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out because you're logged onto someone else's phone, checking on your cameras. How do you actually go ahead and log out? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up the Wansview Cloud app, and this is already assuming that you've already logged in. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on Me, and then from here, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on Sign Out. Once you click on Sign Out, you're going to see one more prompt that says Sign Out. Just click on Sign Out to confirm, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of the Wansview Cloud app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in